How to keep your body fit and strong. Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic: how to keep your body fit and strong. So, let's get started. Physical fitness refers to your body's ability to work properly and involves a lot more than just exercise. Being physically fit also means living a healthy lifestyle and looking after your mental health. 1. Do aerobic exercise. Aerobic exercise keeps your circulatory and respiratory systems fit. Spend 20 to 30 minutes on this kind of exercise every day. 2. Strengthen your core. Core strength helps prevent back pain and balance issues as you age. Work core exercises at least 2 or 3 days a week to keep the muscles in your midsection strong. You can do basic exercises, such as crunches and planks. 3. Lift light weights for endurance. Fit muscles can perform repeated contractions for a longer period. Doing more repetitions with lighter weights helps build your muscular endurance. Start with a weight that makes your muscles feel tired after 10 to 12 repetitions. 4. Build strength with heavy weights. Target different muscle groups in each session for consistent strength. Start with the lowest weight that exhausts your muscles after 2 to 5 repetitions and gradually increase it. 5. Stretch for flexibility. Stretches help maintain your full range of motion. Starting a basic yoga practice is a great way to maintain your flexibility. 6. Eat nutritional foods. Proper nutrition keeps you healthy and improves your brain function. The ideal diet includes lots of fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. 7. Limit consumption of alcohol and drugs. Alcohol and drugs can endanger your physical and mental health. Drinking alcohol contributes to poor physical health and can cause heart problems. 8. Drink water to stay hydrated. Plain water is your best bet to keep your body hydrated. Every part of your body needs water to function properly. 9. Stay active throughout the day. Try to be active for a total of at least an hour over the course of the day. Take the stairs, work in the yard, gardening, mowing, or raking leaves, tidy up your home, wash and wax your car by hand, walk somewhere instead of driving. 10. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. A good night's sleep helps restore energy and repair damage. A consistent sleep pattern will really help boost your physical health. 11. Spend time with friends and family. Strong connections with others help sustain your mental health. Stress and your general mood have a big effect on your overall health. 12. Get regular medical checkups. See your doctor at least once a year. Regular checkups help prevent health problems because your doctor can catch warning signs early. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.